I like to think about the life of wine, how it's a living thing. I like to think about what was going on the year the grapes were growing, how the sun was shining, if it rained. I like to think about the people who tended and picked the grapes. And if it's an old wine, how many of them must be dead by now? I like how wine continues to evolve. Like, if I opened a bottle of wine today, it would taste different than if I opened it on any other day, because a bottle of wine is actually alive and it's constantly evolving and growing in complexity. That is, until it peaks, like you're 61. Then it begins its steady, inevitable decline. And it tastes so fucking good.